Alright, Northern Tesla here. This is going to be my first FSD drive. I just want to do a quick one to show you guys what it's like and my first thoughts. Generally, I go to the gym every day, so let's make that my first trip. It's a nice and easy route, but a lot of roundabouts. So I guess I have to leave my driveway. So first roundabout. So we have no lines on the road. First parked car, fine. So it's signaling, coming to a stop, it's slowing down. It's good. So parked car over here. Good to go. So it does come really slow to a roundabout. And it signals as well, which is weird. So obviously, if there's anyone behind me, they obviously have an issue with it because they're like, why is that guy stopping? So first left turn, coming to a stop sign. So right now, I don't see much of anything. It's going to creep forward. It's hanging left. Looks like it's good to go, and off we go. So I like how it kind of made a wide left turn there, then it kind of adjusts itself into the lane. So this is going to be coming up, is going to be a 2-lane roundabout. So let's see what it does with this. And we're going to be making a slight right turn. So we have one car coming in. Okay, it looks like safe, so I would go no. So we got a car coming in, it's going to inch forward a bit. We got transport truck. It's going to go. Oh, just took over the last second there. It went to the left lane, which obviously not ideal. You're supposed to go into the immediately right lane. So I don't think I needed to take over. I think it was going to adjust the turn. So coming up to another roundabout. Again, it's a 2-laner. So I got a bus coming up. So I think it's going to inch its way in again. Got traffic behind me. Okay, let's not go. Let's not go. We got the bus. Alright. I think it's good. We're gonna go around into the second lane as it's supposed to, and then straight. Good job. And we are at our destination. So let's see if it's gonna turn. So I did turn. I did take over there just to be sure. That was pretty incredible. Obviously, that first roundabout, the first major one, wasn't the greatest, but that one for sure was amazing. So let's reset, and we're just gonna go home. I don't care about Ford Collision Centers because no more safety score. Alright, first this roundabout here, we're coming to a 2-lane roundabout. We're gonna be making a slight right, so the first right. So it's gonna inch a bit. There's a car behind me, so I'm a little concerned about that. Okay, it should go. That is a really good one. It didn't slow down. It kind of like rolled in when I needed to. Now it's going to immediately change lanes. We're going a lot fast. So I'm going to slow that down just so that we're not crazy. So now we have a second roundabout. We got a 2-lane one. And then we were making a left turn. So it's got to go all the way around. So we're going to inch forward again. We got a truck passing by. So, okay, the way is clear. I guess gonna wait for this guy. It's good. Okay, should go. Nope. Okay. So it had to disengage there. For some reason, it went right when that truck was coming.
So actually, that was not bad. I was, you know, it's what I was expecting. A few errors. I think I did 5. We did 5 roundabouts and only messed up on 1. So that's pretty good. We'll see where it goes. So if obviously this is Northern Tesla, I always try it for the best quality videos. So going forward, this is just a quick video just to get first initial thoughts. Going forward, it's going to be a lot higher quality videos I hope to make. And so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.